Keyword Researcher can import CSV files from the famous Google Keyword Planner, but it can also import them from other tools like the free UberSuggest tool, which requires no money, no payment, and no login. This is a great free tool by Neil Patel, and suppose I wanted to get some seed keywords ideas. I have a list of simple camera repair keywords here, and I'll just simply copy and paste them into the tool and click the lookup button. So if I scroll down, I'll see my keyword that I searched for here and lots of keyword data, and there's an export here, export button at the bottom of the website. And you'll notice that I've just saved the CSV to my hard drive. Now we can just repeat this process and get the next item from the list. I'll paste it here, click the button, and there's my new keyword, and I'll just again save all this data to my hard drive. And we'll repeat this process a final time. I'll paste my keyword, click the white button, and again we have all these great keywords and data, and this is a really cool tool. The only problem is it's kind of hard to work with so many keywords just in a web environment. So a third time we'll paste this, we'll copy this to our hard drive. And you'll notice we've just copied our 3 CSV files to our hard drive. And to work with these CSV files in Keyword Researcher, we just have to make sure that we're on the Import CSV Files tab and drag them into our big box here. And of course, you'll notice that Keyword Researcher has just imported all of this great keyword data into the app, all using the free UberSuggest website. So this is a really, really valuable thing to do, to be able to not only import data from the Google Keyword Planner, which is free, but we can also import data from UberSuggest and several other CSV generating websites.